Promix SuperSeal. Here at the Copic store, we have 4 asphalt sealers. One, we've got our crack sealer, which is second to none for fixing cracks, really simple and easy. We've got our spider seal, which is perfect for alligator or crocodile cracked asphalt. 3, we've got our, I can't quite do that with my fingers, our driveway seal, and 4, we've got our super seal. Now, our driveway seal and super seal are asphalt sealers that seal asphalt. The purpose of these sealers is to protect, rejuvenate, and lengthen the life of the asphalt, and they also beautify. Now, the difference between them is the driveway seal is like painting your house with a coat of paint. The super seal is painting and plastering at the same time. And because the super seal has a fine aggregate in it, what ends up happening is it has a higher build. It creates a higher build in your sealer. So when you put down super seal, you're really putting down the same as 2 to 2.5 coats of the driveway seal because you've got a higher build. And the difference, when would you use a driveway seal and when would you use a super seal? It really comes down to a couple of factors. 1, what are you trying to achieve? 2, what's your budget? And 3, how important are aesthetics? Now, if you're on a budget and you've got relatively new asphalt, 100% go with driveway seal. It will do everything that the super seal is going to do, and it's going to last long. It's going to look nice, and it's going to be done at an affordable budget. If your asphalt is getting old and it's unraveling and you need extra protection, or you just want to go for the best, then SuperSeal is the product for you. It goes down, it's going to hide a lot of those imperfections, it's going to be very aesthetically pleasing, it's going to help stop that unraveling, and it's got carbon black in it, which means it's going to go down. Same with the driveway seal, it's going to go down and be black and stay black for years and years and years. And when you reline mark if you've got a commercial property and you've got car parks and you reline it, the white lines just pop out, and it's just like, wow, it looks fantastic. Or if like I was a bit like a builder not finishing their own house, I eventually got round to sealing my own driveway, and just before we sold it, and I looked at it afterwards and went, why didn't I do this years earlier? It looks fantastic. And we ended up getting more for the house than what I thought we would. So I haven't had one customer come back and not be happy that they haven't sealed their driveway. And Super Seal does cost more. It's going to probably cost double, maybe even a little bit more than double than the driveway seal, but it is worth the investment, especially if your asphalt is getting older, it's unraveling, it's getting tired, it's going to fill it up. We had a customer come in whose asphalt was like, I wish you'd come in, 5 years earlier. You could have used driveway seal, but it's unraveled. You're going to have to, so I sold him up to the driveway, the super seal, and he was so happy. He came back with photos just saying, look at this, and it look wonderful. So his driveway went like from 30% to 80%, just because it looked great. It hid all the imperfections, it hid all the unraveling. If he'd done 2 coats, which is recommended for heavier, more industrial areas like roads, heavy car parks, 2 coats is preferred. If he'd gone 2 coats, it would have brought it back to like 95, maybe 100%. In his case. So it looks really good. If you're an asset manager or you're sitting on a large amount of asphalt, really consider looking at sealing your asphalt. You'll be so much happier that you did. If you've got the courage, you could ring up an asphalt contractor and get a quote to replace your asphalt. Just make sure you've got a defibrillator sitting nearby, because it is fairly shocking when you get your quote back. And for a fraction of the price, you can seal your asphalt. It makes it look fantastic. It makes it last longer. It protects it. It rejuvenates it, and you'll be happy that you did do it. It's just a level of satisfaction. You'll be happy. You'll be smiling. And if you've got any more questions, there's plenty of answers on our webpage. Or if you'd like to have a chat, you can give us a call here at the office as well. Thank you very much.